Got a low cloud base. There is spin right here in the storm. See rising scud motion right here? I can't see messages otherwise. This area right here is spinning. I think I'm gonna go a little further south. We've got a really scuddy base here. Oh my word, dude. I think we got something happening right there. Look at all the scud at the surface right there. What the heck? We're going left. We got a shelf forming out ahead of this thing. We're gonna go a little to the north. This is interesting. Right here. What is going on? See how low the scud is at the surface here? It's just scud, it's nothing, there's nothing really well defined about it, but holy mackerel. So cool. The heavy precip's coming back. Oh, that's bad smell. Womp womp. I'm gonna smell like pig. Check out that thing. Got your inflow. There, it should have just updated. All right. Real quick, I'm gonna get YouTube chats working, so hang tight, everybody. Hey, we got a shelf. We got a shelfie. Turn left already. I just want to get out of here. More scud at the base there. All it is rising motion at the surface. But you can see it's like a scud cloud that's going from the ground up. That's wild. It does appear to be exhibiting some rotation here, though, I will say. Again, I think like there's just a few little weak pockets here and there of rotating features that kind of just sort of... See, that's spinning right there. That's scud. That's spinning right there. Check that out. That's pretty neat. Got the heavy rain starting to make its way in. All right, again, we're en route to Vicksburg. Flooding has been reported in Vicksburg. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's starting to come over the... It's coming over into the road here. That's gonna be a rough one right there. See it? Coming up. Best to avoid the flooded area. But it is crossing right over the road here.